How to fix delete app option not showing in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on a app and then click on remove app. Now here you can see no delete option, and if you want to fix this problem, then simply first of all open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option screen time. Now click on screen time and then scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Now click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now click on deleting apps. If you select don't allow, then select allow. After selecting allow, then go back to your screen and press and hold on a app and then click on remove app. Refresh your device and now press and hold on a app and then click on remove app, and here you can see the delete app option. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.